A clicking noise from a washing machine can be caused by several factors. One possible reason is a faulty agitator, which is responsible for moving clothes around during a cycle. If the agitator is damaged or has loose parts, it can produce clicking sounds. To fix this, turn off the machine, remove the fabric softener dispenser, and use pliers to take out the bolts holding the agitator in place. Inspect the agitator for any damage or loose parts. Tighten where necessary, and reinstall it securely. If the agitator is damaged beyond repair, it will need to be replaced. Another potential cause of the clicking noise is a faulty inlet valve. The inlet valve can become blocked or damaged, leading to the clicking sound. To address this, turn off the washer and locate the inlet valve using the manual as a guide. Check for any blockages and clear out any debris, such as lint. Inspect the valve for signs of damage or rust, and if either is present, it will need to be replaced by a professional. A defective drive belt can also cause a clicking noise. The drive belt is responsible for connecting the motor to the drum, allowing it to spin freely. If the belt becomes damaged, it can produce clicking sounds during a cycle. To fix this, unplug the machine and locate the drive belt. Inspect the belt for signs of breakage, and if it is damaged, it will need to be replaced. Finally, a clogged drain pump filter can also cause a clicking noise. Over time, the filter can become clogged with debris, leading to the sound. To fix this, unplug the washer, remove the bottom front flap, and rotate the filter anti-clockwise to open it. Clean the filter thoroughly to ensure it is no longer clogged. By checking and addressing these potential causes, the clicking noise from the washing machine can be resolved.